Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Dana. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Love Your Curls products from So here I have the Complete Curl Care Set for soft and weightless waves. The brand did send this to me, but you know, they didn't ask me to do this video or anything. When you go on the website, you'll see that there are 3 options. So they have an option for wavy, curly, and coily hair. The only difference with the kits is that the step 3 is actually formulated specifically for that curl type. So the shampoo and conditioners stay the same. And the one that I have here, it says that it's normally $50. Right now it's on sale for $45. If you wanted to purchase these individually, the shampoo and conditioner are $16 a piece and the styling product is $18. All of these products are free of sulfate, silicones, parabens, paraffin, phthalates, propylene glycol, DEA, mineral oil, gluten, and synthetic dyes. Starting off with shampoo, which is step 1 in the kit. I really like this shampoo. It's pretty thick. When you squeeze it into your hand, it almost looks like a gel, and then as you start to lather it, it almost turns into a cream, and then it lathers and like suds on your hair. It's really hydrating without being heavy, and it obviously does not dry your hair out. It doesn't leave my hair feeling stripped or anything like that. The shampoo gets a big thumbs up for me. I really love this. We've shampooed, now we gotta condition. This is step 2, and I also really like this conditioner. It has great slip for detangling. It has the perfect amount of hydration, like ideal for an everyday conditioner. I feel like it's just like a really good staple. As soon as I tried this conditioner, I immediately thought, wow, this reminds me so much of the Bounce Curl. It feels very similar on the hair. I did fail to look up the ingredients, but for me, how I remember Bounce Curl being, that's how I feel like this is. And I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. It's been a while since I used Bounce Curl, but I don't know, feel free to correct me if you disagree. I also feel like there are other similarities though, like between the 2 brands. Just the fact that like the shampoo and conditioner don't really have much of a scent. The way that the formulas feel and perform on the hair do seem pretty similar as far as just the shampoo and conditioner go, and I'm comparing that directly to the Bounce Curl Moisture Shampoo and the Essential Moisture Conditioner. So I do have one minor complaint about these, and that is I wish the brand would sell a shampoo and conditioner set. They only sell all 3 products together, which is possibly foreshadowing how I feel about the styling product. And I haven't tried any of the other styling products, just the wavy all-in-one step 3. I have a little bit of beef with this product. So it claims to be an all-in-one. It does everything. It repairs, hydrates, styles. It even claims that it's going to leave your hair voluminous. It's a light formula to leave your hair feeling soft, voluminous, non-sticky, non-greasy. And I agree. It does leave my hair feeling soft, not sticky. So something that I think I did fail to mention actually about the rest of the line is that it is formulated with shea butter and moringa oil. And I guess because the shampoo and conditioner are being rinsed out of my hair, it's not an issue as far as like heaviness goes, but because this is a leave-in product, for me, I have to be really careful about how much I use. So I can only use 1 pump of this. If I'm doing something like the bowl method, I can use a little bit more, but it's really because I'm watering down the product a lot. It's not a bad product, but I don't know if I would spend my money on this. Today I did use it again. I had to use a mousse over top of it because this really does not provide any sort of hold. If you're unlike me and don't touch your hair all the time, this does do a really good job with frizz. So if I had to sum up in a sentence how I felt about this product, I would say I can get it to work, but it's not something that I would reach for. And we're just gonna leave it at that. That's gonna be it for me today. I'd love to know if you guys tried these products, what you think. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time.